In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video for YouTube using Premiere Rush. So you've crafted your masterpiece, added the perfect titles, fine-tuned the audio, and made your colors pop with just the right correction. Now, it's time to share your work with the world. First things first, make sure you've completed all your editing in your Premiere Rush project. This includes any final tweaks to titles, adjustments to audio, and enhancements with color correction. Once you're satisfied with how it all looks, you're ready to move on to the next step, exporting. Once your editing is all set, click on the Share button located at the top toolbar in Premiere Rush. This is where you start the process of exporting your video and getting it live on YouTube. In the Share menu, you're going to see a few options for where you can send your content. For this, you'll want to choose YouTube as your destination. Click on that option, and Premiere Rush will guide you through the necessary steps. At this point, you may need to sign into your YouTube account. If you're not already signed in, this is where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once signed in, you'll be brought to a section where you can fill in all the details YouTube requires for your upload. Here, you should enter a title for your video, something catchy that reflects the content. Next, fill in the description, providing context about what's in the video and why people should watch it. Tags are also important as they help with discoverability, so add relevant tags that will guide viewers to your content. If you have a playlist that this video belongs to, you can assign it here. This helps organize your videos and makes it easier for your audience to find similar content. You'll also need to choose the privacy setting for your video, whether you want it to be public, unlisted, or private. If you don't want to publish it immediately, you have the option to schedule the date and time for publication. Before you hit that export button, take a moment to check out the advanced settings. Here, you'll be able to review details like the resolution, frame rate, and overall quality of your video. Make sure these settings align with what you want for your YouTube upload. You can also set your thumbnail, either from a current frame of the video or by uploading a custom image. Thumbnails are the first impression your viewers get, so make it count. Finally, when everything looks great and you're ready to share it with the world, click Export. Premiere Rush will then start rendering your video. If you're working on a mobile device, remember to keep the app open during this process to ensure it's completed without any hitches. And there you have it, a beautifully exported video ready for YouTube, all honed and polished from your Premiere Rush editing journey.